This young couple are expecting their first chicks. 13 of them. But to bring their family safely into the world, they'll have to listen out for the faintest of messages from their unhatched offspring. At around 10 days old, the developing chicks' tiny hearts start beating. After 40 days, we can hear them take their first gasps of air through pores in the eggshell. And after 42 days on the nest, Mum hears what she's been waiting for. A gentle cheeping from within the eggs, and for the parents, it's a cue to get ready for action. The proud parents welcome their first baby into the world. The smell of freshly hatched egg will soon attract desert predators, black-backed jackals. Now, Mum starts making a sound of her own. She beak claps to her eggs, as if she's telling them to get cracking. And incredibly, the first hatchling also helps speed things along. One by one, others join in the hatching chorus. Soon, the family is complete and ready to roll, just in time.